In this segment, I'm going to take a look at how you can calibrate your screen, and it's found under the Setup drop-down menu, right here where it says Screen Calibration. Now what happens is this little window comes up and it asks you to measure the dimensions of this box with a ruler and then enter the measured values. So you measure the width of the box from the blue line here to the blue line here, and you type the number in here. And then you measure the height of the box from the top of the box here to the bottom of the box here, and you type that number in there, and then you say OK. And it's pretty much as simple as that. And what that does, for example, when you take a look at your grid should look like a square. But what happens is when you use Digitizer with certain computers that have like a widescreen monitor, then your grid may not look perfectly square. It may look like a little bit of a rectangle, but it should be square. And so this is an important thing to do. You should only really need to do it once, unless you have to reinstall your software or update your software, then you may need to do it again, or if you change computers. But what you do is you go to the setup work environment, you do screen calibration, and you just measure the little box, and when you put the correct measurements into this little box, it will ensure that everything displays on your screen in the correct proportions.